Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. Stay connected with us. How long does it to get life insurance amount after death? To avail claim for sure. Policies that have been active for three consecutive years. It means policies that have been active for three consecutive years. All mandatory claims and documents are submitted at branch, and total claim amount of the all life policies held by the life assured they are 1.5 crores. Claim does not require on any ground investigation. Working day will be accurately as Monday to Friday. Our claim settlement ratio for FY 2021 to is 97.8 degrees centigrade. Acha. No, one day is working day counted from the door of the recipient of the relevant documents from the claimant. Additional information submitted as information sought by the company on and any clarification received from the claimant. The company will be calling the claimant for the verification of the information submitted by the claimant, which will also be considered as a part of the relevant working day. Working day will be counted as Monday to Friday and excluding national holidays, bank holidays, public holidays. Interest shall it interest shall be at the bank rate, and that is the prevalent at the beginning of the financial year in which a death claim has been received. It in case of the breach in regulation of the internal time, the interest will be paid as per as IRDA registration. Mandatory documents to be submitted at the branch of the office: claimant statement form, original policy certificate, copy of the death certificate issued by the local authority, AML, KYC, documents, nominees, recent photograph, copy of the nominees, is PAN card, nominees, card address, and proof for identification proof, cancel check copy of the bank cashbook, copy of the medico legal cause of the death, medical records, and for example admission orders, discharge, death summary, etc. For accidental death, copy of the FIR pronunciation, uh, inquest report, and all the that are needed for the further. Mandatory documents are to be submitted to the branch official branch. All due premiums in the policy have been paid, and the policy has been attracted for the three connected years preceding the life insurance death. Sorry. Under LF policies, if claim is submitted prior to the 3 p.m., then the claim will be considered and the claim for sure on the same day. If claim is submitted post 3 p.m., or if the policy is inactive at that time of claim notification, then the claim will be considered under the claim for sure the next day as per availability NAV. Why do why do women live longer? It is important to us. Why do women live long together? You can also search there to know how on these websites. Okay, this is completed. Thank you for us. Now I think nothing remains. Okay. This was about all about what is life insurance and life insurance meaning and all other legal issuance and the some things.